What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy APE Crypto, and in today's video I'll be talking about two CNFT projects that I believe have huge potential and that I honestly see standing out from the rest of the pack. I believe these are special collections and they will fly. But before we dive into that, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also hit that notification bell so you do not miss a single CNFT video as I'm covering them most days. Also follow me on Twitter at APE Crypto YT if you want live updates about the CNFT space, as well as many CNFT discussions, my opinions on a couple of things, and as well as daily giveaways. And if you want to support me that extra little bit, make sure you follow my own project at Nerds CNFT. I really would appreciate that. Anyway, I'll shut up about me and let's dive into these awesome projects. So the first one is Ugly Bros. And as some of you may know, if you follow my channel religiously, like you should be doing, you'd know that I'm bullish on Ugly Bros. So for the last people that haven't watched my last video covering Ugly Bros, what is Ugly Bros? Well, Ugly Bros is a CNFT project that incorporates music, 3D animation, and motion graphics. And as you can see on the screen, the art is totally unique and absolutely beautiful. And it's something that I saw and I was attracted to it right away, which is a really important thing given that these types of NFTs are visual. So the art being amazing has attracted a lot of people to Ugly Bros. And as you can see, 5k Discord members reached, which by the time this video gets released, it will most likely be higher. As I'm recording this on the 28th of October, so by the time I release this video, it'll probably just be the start of November. Sorry about this. I'm just going on a little road trip where I won't only have my phone, but I won't have my computer and my microphone. So I won't be able to record any videos across the long weekend. So before I pack all my stuff, I thought I'd backlog a couple videos so all you CNFT fiends can get your daily fix. So other than the art, which is a clear standout, so with 5,000 Discord members and 4,500 Twitter followers, Ugly Bros is climbing in popularity, and they're over 2 weeks away from their launch, which was actually delayed. It was originally set to be on November 1st, but now it's on November 15th. I don't see this as a bad thing because good things take time and it'd be a shame if they rushed it. There's no need to rush, and it will probably actually be better for the project as they have 2 more weeks to build up hype, anticipation, and to build that awesome community that they have already built. If you've been in this Discord, you know it's quite lively, and it's a very nice community that is building, which is crucial. A strong community does bits. It's evident in this competition run by D&K. So I think it's kind of like a voting thing, what project do you prefer? And Ugly Bros came out on top against Voodoo Brigada, which is a pretty big community in itself. And then they came up on top against Dirtbirds, which is incredible because these derps are crazy. This community is absolutely massive and they are wild. So for Ugly Bros to get more votes than them, it's just a testament to how strong this community is getting. Yes, I know a dumb little Twitter vote won't make the project successful, but it's a good sign. Another good sign, which is absolutely awesome, is the transparency by the devs. So Ugly Bros actually have their own YouTube channel where they do AMAs, previews, reveals, and everything that investors need while revealing themselves, which is great, and it gives investors a good amount of trust between them and the project. So with insanely unique art and beautiful art, a big growing community, plenty more time to grow, transparent devs who were doxed, this project is something that I am definitely really bullish on. I even like their songs. So overall, I am very bullish on this project, and I really do believe it can have great value, especially that there's only 800 randomly selected mints on the very first one. And with 4,500 followers and 5,000 Discord members, there's a lot more demand than it is supply. And what that normally equals is moon time. So we're probably going to see these prices snoop high. I'm super interested in this project, and if you are as well, I'll leave their Linktree link in the description, which has their Discord, their Instagram, their Twitter, and their YouTube. So you can have all the valid links you need to get all the information about Ugly Bros. Doing your own research is crucial, as I'm not a financial advisor, so do this yourself because you shouldn't be listening to some random guy off YouTube, especially when spending hundreds of dollars on JPEGs. So the next project that I'm really bullish on is Happy Hoppers Club, which you may have not have heard of. They have no Discord, they have no website, but I believe they are super promising, even though they are super early in development. So if they got no Discord, no information, what makes you think this? Simply the art. Look at these things. They are very clean, they are very professionally done, and they are super cute. And if you've been paying attention to the CNFT space and been looking what's popular, cute profile picture projects do very well. Yummy Universe, for example, Baby Alien Club, and Crypto Dino, which are all in the top 10. So clearly, the cute style is something that the NFT community, and in particular the CNFT community, is very fond of. Happy Hoppers mostly gives me yummy vibes, as in the art, when you're comparing to a CNFT project, but mostly I get Cool Cats vibes, which is a huge project on Ethereum, and by looking at the art, you can see exactly why. The floor for these is 7.59 Ethereum, which is insane, and in fiat value that equates to $31,000, which is incredible for a little doodle of a cat. So for me to say Happy Hoppers gives me them vibes, that's not a dig and saying they're a copy, that is a compliment. And I can see this attracting loads of people. Literally, just with art previews and cute little GIFs that they've been posting, they have gained almost 4,000 followers, which really is incredible when you think about it. That's more than a lot of projects that have had full drops and months to build up an audience. So that's just a testament to the potential of this project purely because of the art. I know there isn't much about this project, but another thing that makes me bullish about this project is the fact of just their professionalism on Twitter. They do a ton of graphics for milestones, for example, following milestones, as well as awesome GIFs and custom-made designs for certain things. They've done a Squid Game NFT and they've done a Buffy Hopper as well, in tribute to the CNFT con. So for the little that we've seen, they've done nothing wrong and I'm very impressed. And I can honestly see this going to that 10,000 follower, 20,000 follower mark, like Baby Alien Club and Yummy Universe, if the team nail this. So far they have done with their art, but it'll be interesting to see with their website, their Discord launch, and how everything goes in the future. But as of now, I'm very bullish, but of course I'm going to be keeping my eyes peeled for the Discord, which will probably include the roadmap, their team, and as well as their website. But judging off everything they've done here, I really do think they'll nail it and they'll be hugely successful. I don't know if by the time I release this video there will be information out, but if information does come out in the next couple of weeks, I'll leave a link to all the valid information you can get. But for now, make sure you're following them on Twitter at Happy Hoppers NFT so you can keep up to date with it. As well as following me at APE Crypto YT, because I'll be keeping you updated with that as well, as I'm personally very interested in this project, even if it's in its very early stages. So anyway guys, there you have it. Ugly Bros and Happy Hoppers Club are two projects that I really believe are standouts and they can do very well in the future. Potentially top 20, even top 10 projects, and maybe even further. I really do think these projects are special and these are projects that I'm very, very interested in. So I thought I'd make a dedicated video just for these. I think these could be huge launches, but keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and that you need to do your own research before getting into any project. So I'll leave all the valid links in the description for you to do so. I hope you all enjoyed this video and most importantly, I hope you found it valuable. And if you did, feel free to smash that like button as it helps my channel grow, and as well as subscribing to my channel. And if you don't want to miss a single video, hit that notification bell as well, because I'm coming with content almost every single day. Make sure you follow me on Twitter as well to keep up with CNFT news, CNFT discussions, and CNFT giveaways. And if you like my videos and you want to help me out that extra little bit more, make sure you follow my own project, Nerds and Virgins, with the Twitter handle NerdCNFT, which I'll leave in the description as well. I'm APE Crypto, the leader of the Nerds and Virgins. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.